It is said that there is a night in which the risk of every person is decided for the next year. For the next year.
Next year.
This night is named as Barat. What does it mean? What is? Could you kindly explain it?
It is a Turkish myth. It doesn't mean anything to me. You see, it is Shab Barat is what this word, Turkish word, refers to, perhaps. Shab Barat is, in my opinion, a reference to the ascent of Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to some heavenly remote recesses. Is that right or wrong? Is that the significance of Shab Barat? We never heard of it.
No, we didn't.
What we know as Mirajun Nabi, it is that perhaps which is referred to in this Iranian Turkish phrase, Shab Barat, which is also popularly known as such in Indo-Pakistan. So Turkey, Iran, Indo-Pakistan, they have the common phrase of describing that night as Shab Barat. Barat, in fact, is a processional marriage. When the husband takes a procession with him to the house of the bride, the bridegroom takes a procession. This is also called Barat. So anything where two people meet, two lovers meet, can be referred to as that Barat. So Shab Barat has that significance, perhaps, that Muhammad Rasulullah loved God, God loved Muhammad Rasulullah, and they started converging on each other, and the point of rendezvous was the end of the universe, where Rasulullah was to meet Allah. This seems to be the only sense carried in this phrase Shab Barat. The point is, did Allah ever leave Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah after he was commissioned as prophet? Did he ever leave him alone? So if he was always with him, he was in a state of constant liqa, enjoying the nearness and sight of God throughout his life. Not a moment of his life was empty of this. So what is the meaning of this Shab Barat and everything? In the light of this, it turns into utter senseless vision of some people. It does not apply to the Miraj or the night of Miraj in the real sense of this Quranic phrase. First, let me translate this, then if there is time, I'll translate the rest. The remaining part of this, my remaining commentary will be made, inshallah, tomorrow, next time when we meet, right? Because there is very little time left, and this question requires some more explanation.